Hi, this is the GCSE RE revision help for Buddhism Unit 1 keywords. So the first keyword that we're going to look at is anatta. What is anatta? Well, the exam board's definition is this: the denial of a permanent personal self or soul. That's the full definition. One of the three marks of existence. Here is a little image to try and help you remember this concept, this keyword, and that's an empty person, a person without a soul in them. Anicca, what is that? It is impermanence. If you were to be asked the question, what is anicca in your exam, you'd only need that one word to get 2 out of 2. It is also one of the three marks of existence. And here's a little image to help you remember that. So this writing obviously is written in sand, the wave is coming in and it's going to wash it away, so it's not going to last. Dukkha, what does that key word mean? Suffering. Again, that's the third and final mark of existence, and here is a little image to try and help you remember that key word. Magga, what is that? It is the path leading to the cessation, the end of suffering. Here is a path to help you remember that keyword. Karma, what is that? Actions that affect this and future lives. And here is a little image to help you remember. Dharma, crucial keyword. It means the teachings of the Buddha. And here are some teachings of the Buddha to help you remember that. Little image will pop up later on in this video. Nibbana, absolutely crucial, the most important keyword in a way for the whole of Unit 1. The state of perfect peace that follows the blowing out of desire. It can be translated as enlightenment, but according to the exam board's mark scheme, that would only get you 1 mark if you wrote down enlightenment. So what you need to write down is the state of perfect peace that follows the blowing out of desire, and here is the Buddha enjoying that state of perfect peace. Parinibbana, what does that mean? The final and complete nibbana at the passing away of the Buddha's death in other words, and here is an image of the Buddha's death. This is the position in which he is supposed to have died. Samsara, the continual round of birth, death and rebirth. Here is somebody being reincarnated here, and we've got the wheel of existence over here to try and help you remember that keyword. Khandhas, the 5 constituent parts of a human being, and we've got my funny little sand activity here to help you remember that. Vedana, sensations, one of the 5 khandhas. So there are 2 images to try and help you remember. Sanjna, what is that? Perception, another one of the 5 khandhas. Ooh, is it a candlestick or is it 2 people looking at each other? It's to do with your perception. And there again is my little sand activity. Samskara, mental formations, responses, another one of the 5 khandhas. There is somebody having a mental formation over there, and there is my sand activity again. Vijnana, consciousness. That's the best image I could come up with for consciousness. And my sand picture again. Prajna, what does it mean? It means wisdom, and here is a wise old owl to help you remember. Samadhi, a state of deep meditation, and here is a lady enjoying the state of deep meditation. Sila, what does it mean? Morality, the way to behave. There is an image to try and get that into your brain. Right, wrong, or it depends. Tipitaka, what is it? The 3 collections of sacred Buddhist books. And there they are. Vinaya Pitaka. This contains the rules monks and nuns have to follow, one of the 3 parts of the Tipitaka. There is one monk telling the other monks how to behave. Sutta Pitaka. This contains the teachings of the Buddha which are presented as conversations between the Buddha and his followers. There is a conversation, and there is the Tipitaka. Abhidhamma, what does it mean? This contains the discussions on how to interpret and understand the Buddha's teachings, one of the 3 parts of the Tipitaka. There's a little image to help you, and Tipitaka again. Dhammapada, one of the most important Buddhist scriptures, composed of verses which summarize the main principles of the Buddhist teachings. If you actually asked what is the Dhammapada in an A question, all you would need to write is a Buddhist scripture. There's a more complete definition for you, and there it is. Sangha, the Buddhist community, and there are members of the Buddhist community. Right, now what's going to happen is I'm going to replay all of those, but the image is going to pop up before the definition says, well, let's do the first one to begin with together. So this is an opportunity for you to test yourself. So, anatta, that's the key word. What does it mean again? Here's your clue. Can you get it? There's the definition. Okay, I'm not going to speak for the rest of this video. You're just going to go through them one by one. Okay, how did you do? Hopefully you will have got something out of that watching it once. The idea really with this is to watch it again and again until you're absolutely sure of all the keywords. I can't emphasize enough how crucial it is that you know all of the keywords. It's really the key to unlocking your ability to meet or beat your target grade. Okay, hope that's all been helpful, and see you soon.